VICI Properties recently paid a dividend to its shareholders. The company confirmed this payment on April 9, 2026. This date is important for investors who rely on regular income from their holdings. The payment was distributed to all eligible shareholders of record. This process follows a predictable quarterly schedule that many investors have come to expect from the company. A clear timeline helps investors manage their cash flow and plan their financial activities. Understanding these key dates is a fundamental part of tracking an income-focused investment like VICI Properties. The dividend represents a share of the company's profits returned to its owners. The timeline for this dividend began earlier in the year. The company first declared its intention to pay the dividend, specifying the amount per share. Then, an important date called the ex-dividend date was set. For this specific payment, the ex-dividend date was March 19, 2026. This date is crucial because it determines who is eligible to receive the dividend payment. To receive the dividend, an investor must have purchased the stock before the ex-dividend date. If an investor bought the stock on or after March 19, 2026, they would not receive the April 9th payment. Instead, the seller of the stock would receive it. After the ex-dividend date, the company finalizes its list of shareholders. This list is used to ensure that the correct payments are sent to the correct people. The final step is the payment date itself. On April 9, 2026, the funds were electronically transferred to the brokerage accounts of the shareholders. For those holding physical stock certificates, a check would be mailed. This entire cycle, from declaration to payment, is a standard procedure for publicly traded companies that pay dividends. It provides a transparent and reliable system for distributing earnings to investors. For anyone tracking VICI Properties, these dates serve as key markers. They signal the health of the company's cash flow and its commitment to returning capital to shareholders. The regularity of these payments is often seen as a sign of stability. Investors who focus on generating income from their portfolios pay close attention to the dividend schedule. They use this information to project their future income to make decisions about buying or selling shares. The recent payment on April 9, 2026, continues VICI's established pattern of quarterly distributions to its investors. The latest dividend payment from VICI Properties was a specific amount. The company paid $0.45 for each share of stock an investor owned. This quarterly payment is part of a larger annual picture. If continued each quarter, the total for the year would be $1.80 per share. This annual figure is what many investors use to calculate their potential return. The dividend provides a tangible cash return on the investment, separate from any change in the stock's price. The amount is set by the company's board of directors based on its financial performance and policies. This dividend translates into an annual yield of approximately 6.37%. The yield is a percentage that shows the annual dividend relative to the stock's price. It is a useful metric for comparing income investments. A yield of 6.37% means that for every $100 invested in the stock, an investor could expect to receive about $6.37 in dividends over the course of a year. This number can change daily as the stock price fluctuates. However, it gives a good snapshot of the income potential at a specific point in time. The yield is a key reason why many investors are attracted to real estate investment trusts like VICI. VICI Properties has also shown a pattern of increasing its dividend over time. In the past year, the company increased its dividend payment by roughly 4.09%. This growth is an important factor for long-term investors. A growing dividend can help an investor's income keep pace with inflation. It also suggests that the company's earnings and cash flow are growing, allowing it to share more with its shareholders. VICI has now increased its dividend for 8 consecutive years. This track record of dividend growth is a significant achievement and a signal of financial strength and discipline. For investors, these numbers tell a story. The $0.45 per share is the immediate cash they receive. The 6.37% yield is how they can compare VICI to other income opportunities. The 4.09% recent growth rate. 8 years of increases show a commitment to returning more capital over time. These figures are not just abstract numbers. They represent the core of VICI's value proposition to its income-focused shareholders. Beyond paying dividends, VICI Properties is also focused on growth. The company makes new investments to expand its portfolio and increase future income. One significant recent investment is in the One Beverly Hills project, high-profile mixed-use development in a world-famous location. In February 2025, VICI announced its involvement through a strategic partnership. The company joined forces with Kane Eldridge Industries. Goal: invest in high-growth, experience-driven real estate projects. That partnership set the stage for VICI's financial commitment. VICI's investment was not a direct purchase. Instead, it provided a loan. Specifically, a mezzanine loan. VICI initially committed $300 million in February 2025. Mezzanine financing sits between traditional bank debt and the developer's own equity. It's often used for construction and development. In June 2025, VICI increased its commitment. The company added $150 million more. Total mezzanine commitment: $450 million. This shows VICI expanding beyond traditional gaming assets. One Beverly Hills will include luxury residences, high-end hotel-exclusive retail spaces. By lending, VICI earns interest during development. That creates cash flow before completion. It lets VICI deploy capital without full development risk. Partners like Kane and Eldridge help manage execution. Loan terms provide a clear structure. Initial maturity: March 2026. Meaning, repayment originally scheduled then. Agreement included a 12-month extension option. Borrower can extend the due date by 1 year, likely for a fee. Such flexibility is common in construction financing. The structure lets VICI earn a return while funding a landmark project. VICI Properties has also made a major investment in the gaming sector, focused on a new development project in California. On April 4, 2025, VICI announced a large financial commitment to the North Fork project. The project is located near the city of Madera. VICI agreed to provide up to $510 million in financing. This money is part of a larger $725 million term loan facility. The loan is being made to the North Fork Rancheria Economic Development Authority, the tribal entity that is developing the project. This investment shows VICI's continued focus on the gaming industry. The purpose of the loan is to fund the construction of a major new casino and resort. The project is being managed by Red Rock Resorts, a well-known casino operator. This investment marked an important milestone for VICI, as it was the company's first partnership with Red Rock Resorts. This collaboration brings together VICI's capital, the tribe's development rights, Red Rock's operational expertise. The funds will be used to build the entire facility from the ground up. This type of development financing is a key part of VICI's growth strategy, allowing it to get involved in new, promising assets before they open. The plans for the North Fork project are extensive. Upon completion, the facility is expected to be a significant regional destination. The development plans call for a large casino floor featuring approximately 2,400 slot machines. It will also include around 40 table games, blackjack, poker. Beyond the gaming floor, the project is designed to be a full entertainment complex. It will feature multiple dining options, casual eateries, more formal restaurants. The plans also include various retail outlets, providing guests with shopping opportunities during their visit. This investment aligns with VICI's core business model. The company specializes in owning and financing large-scale gaming and hospitality properties. By providing the construction loan, VICI is helping to create a new asset that could potentially become part of its portfolio in the future. In the meantime, the company will earn interest income on its $510 million commitment. Once the casino is built and operating, it is expected to generate significant revenue. The financial structures of VICI's recent investments are important to understand. For the One Beverly Hills project, VICI provided a mezzanine loan. This is a specific type of debt subordinate to the primary bank loan, but senior to the developer's equity. This position in the capital stack means it carries more risk than a senior loan, but also typically offers a higher interest rate. The total loan amount from VICI is $450 million. This capital is crucial for covering costs during the construction phase. The loan agreement gives VICI a claim on the project's assets if the borrower fails to repay the loan. The terms for this mezzanine loan include a specific timeline. The loan was set to mature in March 2026. This date represents the point by which the developers were expected to either repay the loan or refinance it. However, development projects can be complex and timelines can shift. To account for this, the agreement includes a 12-month extension option. This allows the borrower to extend the maturity date to March 2027 if needed. This flexibility is beneficial for the developer, while VICI would likely receive additional fees or a higher interest rate for granting the extension. For the North Fork project, VICI is part of a larger lending group. The company has committed up to $510 million to a total $725 million term loan facility. A term loan is a straightforward loan with a specified repayment schedule and a fixed interest rate or a floating interest rate. VICI's large participation makes it a key financial partner in the project's success. The funds from this loan are designated specifically for the design construction opening of the new casino resort. By funding the project, VICI is enabling the North Fork Rancheria Tribe and Red Rock Resorts to execute their vision for the property. These loan agreements are a strategic use of VICI's capital. Instead of buying properties outright, which can be a slow process, VICI can deploy large sums of money as loans. This generates interest income for VICI and helps its partners grow. These loans often include options for VICI to convert its debt into an ownership stake or to acquire the property upon completion. VICI Properties operates with a two-part strategy. The first part is providing consistent and growing income to its investors. The second part is investing in new projects to ensure future growth. These two parts are closely connected. The income generated from VICI's vast portfolio of existing properties, like the famous casinos on the Las Vegas Strip, provides the cash flow needed to pay the dividend. The recent payment of 45 cents per share on April 9, 2026, is a direct result of the steady rent checks VICI collects from its tenants every month. This reliable income stream is the foundation of the company's business model. At the same time, the company must plan for the future. The $450 million loan for One Beverly Hills, the $510 million commitment to the North Fork project. The interest income from these loans adds to VICI's revenue today. More importantly, these projects represent future opportunities. Once completed, they will become large income-producing assets. VICI may have the opportunity to purchase these properties or provide permanent financing, which would add new, long-term rental income to its portfolio. This new income will support future dividend payments and potential increases. The income from today's portfolio funds the dividends and the projects that will hopefully generate even more income in the years to come, sustaining the cycle for investors.